We are Syniti, and for over 23 years we've been maniacally focused on solving our customers' most challenging data problems. We're able to do that because we are three things: knowledge-driven, business-relevant, and data-focused. Knowledge-driven. We believe you cannot afford to allow knowledge to go to waste. It's an extremely valuable asset you should leverage. And from our experience, we know your data projects are ripe with knowledge events. Decisions are made, definitions are established, rules are defined, and all of these are examples of specific knowledge that's gained in the course of your data journey. And traditionally, this knowledge is used at that specific time and for that specific data project. Then it's almost always forgotten because it's considered to have served its purpose. We believe this knowledge is extremely valuable and deserves to be captured and reused. And it's for that reason we've taken the knowledge we've collected from decades of data projects, like the one you'll be taking, and embedded that knowledge in the Syniti knowledge platform you'll be using. This gives you an immediate advantage over any traditional approach or vendor. From the first day, you can leverage our knowledge-driven nature to accelerate your own learning and progress. And the knowledge you capture can not only be leveraged across your current data project, but serve as a knowledge base, enhancing your return on investment in future data-related projects. Business relevant. In engineering, there's a concept of fit, form, and function. It serves to make sure the final assembly will best meet the business needs. Let's say you have multiple source systems and a single target. The data in question must fit into the target. It must be of the right length and data type. It must also be of the right form. If it's a customer field in the source, it needs to align with the customer field in the target system. But from our experience, we know that as important as this is, it's not enough. This is where function becomes of paramount importance. It's not enough just to lift and shift the data. There must be a constant attention given to the business purpose of the target system and the significance given to the value of getting this right the first time. Because our software understands the business relevance of the source and target systems, you can be assured of not only a successful move in fit and form, but also the highest of data quality and usability, the function, which will enhance your business outcomes in the shortest time to value possible. And lastly, data focused. Your data project is going to require you to address a large number of decisions and tasks. It's like a juggling act. You have to keep all these things moving without dropping any. But in this act, you have eggs and rubber balls. You can drop a rubber ball. It'll bounce and you can pick it back up. But you can't drop an egg without severe results. Your eggs are the unique elements of your business and data requirements. They are precious and often the differentiator of your business from others in your industry. The rubber balls are common data decisions. It's the normal workings of data that are likely the same as any other company of your size and industry. Your problem is that until you look at each and every decision, you won't know if it's an egg or rubber ball. And until you do that, you have to treat every decision and every task as if it were an egg, and that requires time and resources. Because of our specific data project experience and knowledge-driven software, we automatically address the vast majority of your common rubber ball issues without you having to lift a finger. In most cases, that can mean up to like 80% of your data migration rules. That frees you from the mundane and allows you to focus on what matters, the unique and business-critical aspects of your data project. The result is the acceleration of your project, the benefit of a shorter time to value, and the confidence in your data being positioned to best serve the needs of your current and evolving business. We believe you can't afford not to capture and reuse all the knowledge available to you. We believe you won't be successful with a fit and form approach. You must retain a focus on function. And lastly, we believe you should partner with us because when it comes to your data-related problems, we've solved them so you don't have to. We are Syniti, and we're accelerating global and human progress, one data challenge at a time.